Imagine for a moment that your mouth is a bustling city, full of activity, life, and constant movement. In this city, your tongue isn't just another resident. It's the mayor, the leader, the one in charge of keeping everything running smoothly. It's the unsung hero that helps you taste your favorite foods, speak clearly, and even keeps your mouth clean. But how much do you really know about what's happening inside your mouth every single day? Most of us brush, floss, and maybe use a little mouthwash, but there's a whole world of fascinating and sometimes shocking truths about mouth health that often go unnoticed. Today, we're going to uncover 3 jaw-dropping facts about your mouth that will change the way you think about oral hygiene forever. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the wild, weird, and wonderful world of mouth health. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at what's really going on inside your mouth. Whether you're a dental health enthusiast or someone who just wants to keep their smile looking its best, these facts are sure to surprise you. We all know that brushing and flossing are important, but did you know that your mouth is home to billions of bacteria? That's right, your mouth is like a tiny ecosystem, with good and bad bacteria living side by side. Some of these bacteria help protect your teeth and gums, while others can cause disease and even bad breath. That's why it's so important to keep up with your oral hygiene routine and visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. But there's more to mouth health than just brushing and flossing. Let's uncover some of the most shocking truths that will make you rethink your daily routine. First up, let's talk about something you use every single day, your toothbrush. You might think your toothbrush is your best friend when it comes to keeping your teeth clean, but here's a shocking truth. Your toothbrush is actually a germ magnet. That's right. Every time you brush your teeth, you're not just removing food particles and plaque, you're also collecting bacteria, viruses, and even tiny bits of food on your toothbrush bristles. Over time, these germs can multiply, turning your toothbrush into a breeding ground for all sorts of nasty microbes. In fact, studies have shown that a single toothbrush can harbor millions of bacteria, including some that can make you sick. And if you store your toothbrush in the bathroom, especially near the toilet, you might be exposing it to even more germs every time you flush. It's enough to make anyone think twice about how they care for their toothbrush. Here's a fact that might make your skin crawl. Your toothbrush can actually host more bacteria than your toilet seat. Yes, you heard that right. While we often think of the toilet as one of the dirtiest places in the house, the truth is that your toothbrush can be even worse if you're not careful. Every time you flush the toilet, tiny droplets of water and bacteria can become airborne and settle on nearby surfaces, including your toothbrush. And if you're not replacing your toothbrush regularly, those bacteria can build up over time, increasing your risk of getting sick. That's why it's so important to store your toothbrush in a clean, dry place, away from the toilet, and to let it air dry between uses. You can even use a toothbrush cover or holder to help protect it from germs. Remember, a clean toothbrush is your first line of defense against oral health problems. So, what's the best way to keep your toothbrush and your mouth clean and healthy? The answer is simple. Swap out your toothbrush every 3 months, or sooner if the bristles become frayed or worn. And if you've been sick with a cold, the flu, or any other illness, it's a good idea to replace your toothbrush right away to avoid reinfecting yourself. Think of it as a small investment in your overall health and well-being. After all, you wouldn't use a dirty dish to eat your food, so why use a dirty toothbrush to clean your teeth? By making this simple change, you can help protect yourself from harmful bacteria and keep your smile looking its best. And don't forget to clean your toothbrush holder regularly too. It can also harbor germs and bacteria if not cleaned properly. Now let's move on to our second shocking truth. Saliva is your mouth's superhero. That's right, the clear, slightly sticky liquid that you probably don't think about much is actually one of the most important defenders of your oral health. Saliva does so much more than just keep your mouth moist. It's packed with powerful enzymes and proteins that help break down food, wash away bacteria, and neutralize harmful acids that can damage your teeth. Without saliva, your mouth would be a much more dangerous place for your teeth and gums. In fact, people who suffer from dry mouth, a condition where the body doesn't produce enough saliva, are at a much higher risk for cavities, gum disease, and other oral health problems. So, the next time you feel your mouth watering, remember that your saliva is working hard to keep you healthy. But that's not all. Saliva is also your mouth's first line of defense against harmful bacteria and infections. It contains special proteins called antibodies that help fight off germs and keep your mouth clean. Saliva even has the ability to help heal minor wounds and sores in your mouth, thanks to its unique combination of enzymes and growth factors. That's why you might notice that small cuts or ulcers in your mouth tend to heal much faster than cuts on other parts of your body. Saliva is constantly working behind the scenes to protect your teeth, gums, and overall oral health. It's like having a superhero living in your mouth, fighting off the bad guys and keeping everything in balance. So, the next time you take a sip of water or feel your mouth start to water before a meal, give a little thanks to your amazing saliva. So, how can you make sure your mouth superhero stays strong and healthy? The answer is simple: stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps your body produce enough saliva to keep your mouth clean and protected. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and try to avoid sugary or acidic drinks that can dry out your mouth and damage your teeth. If you're taking medications that cause dry mouth, talk to your doctor or dentist about ways to manage the side effects and keep your mouth healthy. Chewing sugar-free gum or sucking on sugar-free candies can also help stimulate saliva production. Remember, a well-hydrated mouth is a healthy mouth, so make it a priority to drink up and keep your superhero strong. And now for our third and final shocking truth. This one's a real jaw-dropper. Are you ready? Here it is. Your tongue is like a fingerprint, totally unique to you. That's right, no two tongues are exactly alike, not even among identical twins. Your tongue has its own special pattern of bumps, grooves, and taste buds that make it one of a kind. In fact, scientists have discovered that the shape, texture, and even the color of your tongue can reveal important clues about your overall health. Some researchers are even exploring the use of tongue prints as a new form of biometric identification, just like fingerprints or retinal scans. So the next time you stick out your tongue in the mirror, remember that you're looking at something truly special and unique. But your tongue isn't just unique, it's also a powerful indicator of your health. Dentists and doctors often refer to the tongue as the window to your health, because changes in its appearance can signal a wide range of health issues, from vitamin deficiencies and dehydration to infections and even certain types of cancer. For example, a bright red tongue might indicate a lack of certain nutrients, while a white coating could be a sign of a fungal infection. Swelling, sores, or changes in texture can also be warning signs that something isn't quite right. That's why it's so important to pay attention to your tongue and check it regularly for any changes. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to talk to your dentist or doctor. They can help you get to the bottom of what's going on and keep your mouth and your whole body healthy. So what can you do to keep your tongue healthy and looking its best? Start by cleaning your tongue every day, either with a tongue scraper or by gently brushing it with your toothbrush. This helps remove bacteria, food particles, and dead cells that can build up on the surface of your tongue and cause bad breath. Make it a part of your daily oral hygiene routine, along with brushing and flossing. And don't forget to check your tongue regularly for any changes in color, texture, or appearance. A healthy tongue should be pink and covered with tiny bumps called papillae. If you notice any sores, discoloration, or persistent pain, be sure to see your dentist or doctor for a professional evaluation. Taking care of your tongue is just as important as taking care of your teeth and gums. Keeping your tongue clean and healthy is one of the simplest ways to improve your overall oral health and keep your breath fresh. It only takes a few seconds each day, but the benefits can last a lifetime. Plus, a clean tongue can help you enjoy your favorite foods even more, since it allows your taste buds to work at their best. So, make tongue cleaning a regular part of your routine and enjoy all the benefits of a healthy, happy mouth. So, are you ready to give your mouth the TLC it deserves? By following these simple tips, replacing your toothbrush regularly, staying hydrated to keep your saliva flowing, and taking care of your unique tongue, you can protect your oral health and keep your smile looking its best. Remember, a healthy mouth is the foundation of a healthy body, and taking care of your teeth, gums, and tongue is one of the best investments you can make in your overall well-being. Don't wait until you have a problem. Start taking action today and enjoy all the benefits of a clean, healthy, and beautiful smile. If you found these mouth health truths as shocking and fascinating as we did, be sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts and tips on how to keep your smile shining bright. We're always sharing the latest research, expert advice, and fun facts to help you take your oral health to the next level. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Everyone deserves to know the secrets to a healthy, happy mouth. Remember, your smile is your business card. It's the first thing people notice about you, and it can make a lasting impression. So take care of it, keep it shining, and show the world your brightest, healthiest smile. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.